Hi folks, David Waring here again with InformedTrades.com and today's lesson of the day. In our last lesson we looked at the hammer and hanging man candlestick patterns, two patterns which can be considered reversal patterns when seen in an uptrend or a downtrend. In today's lesson we're going to look at two more reversal patterns which are known as the morning and evening star. So let's get started.
Okay, so the morning star is a pattern which is made up of three candles, a long black candle followed by a short white or black candle, which is then followed by a long white candle. In order to have a valid morning star formation, most traders will look for a close of the third candle that is at least halfway up the body of the first candle in the pattern. When found in a downtrend, this pattern can be seen as a powerful reversal pattern. And if you look at what this represents from a supply-demand standpoint, you can sort of understand why. What you have here is the downtrend accelerating here with the period represented by the long black bar, and then you have a period of indecision. In this case, it's a doji, if you remember that from our previous lesson on those patterns. But it could be any sort of short candle there. It doesn't have to be a doji. And then you have the long white candle representing buyers taking control after that star of indecision, that star portion of the pattern. Unlike the hammer and the hanging man, which we learned about in our last lesson, as the morning star is a three-candle pattern, traders will oftentimes not wait for confirmation from the fourth candle before considering this a valid pattern. And in addition, traders will look to the size of the candles for an indication of how big the potential reversal might be. Basically, what they're saying here is the larger the white and black candle, the larger the potential is for reversal, and the larger that reversal may be, and the larger or the more that the white candle goes up into the body of the black candle, the greater the potential for reversal, and the larger the reversal is expected to be. So here's what this looks like on a chart. You can see here we've got the downtrend in place, and then we have the morning star. Ideally, we'd like to see a little larger black candle there on the left-hand side, but this is still a valid pattern here, and especially since we've got such a large uptick in volume on the move upward where the buyers are taking control, that should be opening, an eye opener there that that potentially something's changing in terms of the trend there. The evening star is basically the exact opposite of the morning star, and this is found in a when it's found in an uptrend, it's considered a reversal pattern. And what you've got here is a long white candle showing the acceleration of the uptrend, and then a short candle, again here, it doesn't have to be a doji, representing indecision in the market after that big upshot in the market. And then you've got the long black candle indicating that sellers are taking control of the market, and there's a potential reversal in the making there. Here again, just like with the morning star, the close of the third candle needs to be at least halfway down the body of the first candle. And as with the morning star as well, a lot of traders will not wait for a fourth candle for confirmation before considering this a valid pattern. And the same rules apply for the length of the candles in terms of the potential for trend reversal and the size of that potential reversal. The longer the white and black candle are, the larger the potential reversal may be. And also the more the black candle goes into the body of the white candle, the stronger the reversal is thought to potentially be. Okay, so just a quick example here of the evening star. We've got an uptrend here in place, and we've got the three-candle evening star pattern there and the sell-off that occurs after that. And just as with the morning star, you're going to want to have volume confirmation there, and the more things you have, as with everything that we go over, confirming that there's a potential reversal in place, the better. All right. The purpose of the InformedTrades.com community is to bring together a community of traders who are interested in helping each other learn the market without all the hype that's associated with traditional or with most trading education. So if you haven't done so already, I encourage you not only to visit InformedTrades.com, but every page of the site has a comment section. So I encourage you to use that to not only ask questions, but to share knowledge in areas where you are knowledgeable, so we can all learn together. All right, that completes our lesson for today. In tomorrow's lesson, we're going to finish up our series on candlestick patterns with a look at the shooting star and the inverted hammer pattern. So we hope to see you in that lesson. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below or visit the Ask the Question section of InformedTrades.com. And good luck with your trading.